Hey there! Ever encountered that frustrating error loading files? Please relogging to the game message while launching Mobile Legends on your iPhone? No worries, I've got your back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix this pesky error. So let's dive right in and get your game back on track. Solution 1. Allow Mobile Legends to connect to your local network. First off, let's make sure Mobile Legends can connect to your local network. Open up Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down to the list of apps and find Mobile Legends. Tap to open the permission menu. Toggle on the local network permission. Once done, exit the settings. Now, launch Mobile Legends and see if the issue persists. Solution 2. Offload the game. If the first solution didn't do the trick, let's try offloading and reinstalling the game. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Find Mobile Legends in the list and tap on it. Tap the Offload app button. Confirm by tapping Offload app. The game will be offloaded. Now, tap Reinstall app to begin reinstalling. Once done, launch Mobile Legends and check if the error is resolved. Solution 3. Reinstall Mobile Legends. Press and hold the Mobile Legends icon on your home screen until it wiggles. Tap on Remove app. Confirm by tapping Delete app from the pop-up menu. The game will be uninstalled. Head to the App Store, search for Mobile Legends, and reinstall it. Now, you should be able to enjoy the game without encountering the error. And there you have it. You've successfully tackled the error loading files. Please relog into the game problem in Mobile Legends on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, show some love by smashing that like button. Questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for tuning in.